Some simple storage services or S3 as you know. Welcome to our presentation on S3, powerful universal cloud solution by AWS. So what is S3? S3 is scalable high availability object storage. It stores and extracts any amount of data with 99.9% of durability. The common use cases include the backup, static website hosting, and application hosting. We can create backup, for example, a WordPress website using S3. You can host static website using S3 and also application hosting. S3 is a fundamental service within the AWS ecosystem. That is because even other AWS services are using S3 under the hood. Let's look at some core concept of S3. In S3, we have what we call the objects. What are the objects? The object is a file that is stored inside the S3. It comprises data, metadata, and a unique key name. So you can think of objects like your images, your PDF, your zip files that you are uploading to S3, and attached to them are some metadata, some unique key on name and version ID to kind of track the different version of your files. We also have what we call the buckets. The buckets are containers for your objects with a unique global names, origin specific location, and unlimited object capability. So buckets are, as the definition is saying, they are just containers where you can put your different objects and store them there. What you also often encounter in the S3 ecosystem is what we call the storage classes overview. So in S3 we have basically three styles. First we have the standard type, which is general purpose of storage offering high availability and low latency. It is ideal for frequent access data. We have the intelligent tiering, which is automatic cost optimization. It's moving data between access tiers based on usage patterns. So imagine that you have, let's say, three S3 buckets. You will try to move your different data across those S3 buckets, just like a load balancer will distribute the traffic amongst multiple servers. And the last but not least, we have the standard IA, which is cost-effective for less frequent access data or rapid access when needed. So it's kind of a hard disk drive, SSD hard disk drive, where you can just store your data, but you're not really frequently accessing that data. But when you need the data is there for you. When talking of cloud, we can't talk of cloud leaving security behind. In fact, security is everywhere. So what does S3 propose as security measures? You have the bucket privacy. All S3 buckets are private by default, limiting access to authorized users. So when you create your S3 bucket, by default your S3 bucket will be private, and that is defined using a policy rule, as we will be seeing.